Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about the Supreme Drop List Week 14. So we are going to jump into the lookbook today, talk about styling, and jump into sellout times, concluding with how some of the pieces I picked up in store today are doing on the resale market. If you're new here for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. All right, so I'm actually going to start with a piece that I got the other week. I know I haven't been up to date with all of my lookbooks week to week just because I have been pretty picky with items I've been picking up. I literally only got the Burberry ball cap in the denim colorway. So for those of you who know, I also was able to cop the jacket that matches this. So I really wanted to go kind of all over matchy with this. But overall, this is a really just nice detailing with the Burberry logo on the front here. And it's just nicely embroidered in that dark blue or navy denim. And then we have Supreme, which is pretty subtle on the back in white, that's embroidered as well. Then we have this nice just light brown leather with Supreme on it as well. And I'm just pretty happy with this hat. I've already worn it out a couple times, and it's doing quite well on the resale market, but we'll talk about that at the end. Now, as far as Supreme Week 14. So this was a big week because Nike was collaborating with Supreme this week. I was able to cop some pieces from the last Supreme Nike collab, and I probably should have remembered the sizing on this because I think I probably would have sized up, just because I've noticed with Supreme and Nike collaborations, the pieces do run a little bit more snug and tight. They're not as oversized, but I did pick up two pieces in store, and one of those pieces was the crew neck. I actually really love this crew neck. It's super soft in comparison to the first crew neck I got with Nike and Supreme, which is actually a little bit thicker, and the material is just not as soft and easy to wear. So I really like this one. I got it in the black colorway, and it does have the Supreme logo kind of off to the side on the bottom here. It's really kind of actually hard to see the Nike just because it's split in between here. And so you'll see kind of like the front portion of the swoosh mark and then just the tail on the back, but you really have to get it at a good angle in order to see that full-on Nike sign. But we do have this nicely embroidered patchwork done on the Supreme, which is quite large, and it is nice. It does pop quite nice off the black. It's not too in your face on this color scheme. Again, I got this in a small, and it does fit quite snug, but it is very soft on the inside. It's fleece, so you can kind of see the fuzzies are actually already like kind of fuzzing away there. But this was $138 retail. So now let's talk about what I'm wearing right now. So I actually have the corduroy Nike jacket, and I got it in the purple colorway. This also released in kind of like this reddish camo color as well as a black color scheme. I went for the purple this time just to kind of mix it up instead of getting all black. I wanted to kind of get some color as we are getting into the warmer seasons here. This is actually really nice because it's very lightweight. It's not a very thick jacket, though it does have some quilting on the inside here. You can kind of see that quilting material, but it definitely doesn't feel like this is going to be like a thick winter coat. It's got a really cool pocket on the inside. I really actually love these hidden pockets just because I can just slip my phone in there, stick chapstick or keys or whatnot, but I'm able to just put something in that compartment. We don't have one on this side, but we do have just this really lovely royal purple quilting on the inside. It's quite nice and soft and very, very lightweight. I feel like corduroy can be very warm, so this is definitely just a nice lightweight corduroy jacket. We've got the Velcro straps here, which are nice just in case you want to kind of tighten it. I will say that the arms are not extremely long on this one. Again, this is a size small. We've got little pockets though kind of hidden all over here. So another pocket here. Can't really fit your cell phone in there, but it is just a nice kind of detail on there that's subtle. We've got the Nike embroidered here in that white color scheme. And you know what, I'm just gonna maybe just slip this off so I can flip it around and talk about the back portion of it. But we do have a hood. It does have the tie system here, so you can loosen it, tighten it. But on the back, which is probably the coolest part actually of the jacket itself, is the Supreme logo here, which is nicely embroidered again with that patchwork. And then we've got the swoosh mark underneath, and I think it just pops quite nicely, this royal purple on top of the lighter purple corduroy. All right. So this retailed at $198. Now I'm just going to talk quickly about the items in the US and what sold out the fastest. So we'll go through kind of the top 10. The Supreme corduroy hooded jacket in the purple colorway actually sold out the fastest in a size large in 13.5 seconds. Then the Supreme corduroy cargo pants sold out in 13.6. Looks like people are trying to go matchy-matchy with those. Followed by the corduroy hooded jacket in a large and black in 14 seconds, and then a small hooded jacket in black. Then we've got the corduroy 6-panel cap that went in 14 seconds, followed by the black XL hooded jacket, then the heather gray small sweats, followed by the black small sweats. I actually did want some sweatpants with this, but wasn't able to snag a pair to match. So that was just kind of a bummer that I didn't get that full look. Followed by the corduroy 6-panel purple cap, then the Supreme sweatpants, and then the heather gray XL crew neck. So it looks like all the top pieces that went and flew by the fastest were all Nike pieces. So definitely that was the main event for this week. So hopefully you were able to cop some pieces that dropped this week and you were lucky enough to get some of the Nike collaborations, because I do think that they are fire. Now I'm going to jump into how much these are all going for on the resale market. So maybe we'll start actually with this. So this ball cap actually sold for $88, and it's crazy because on the resale market right now, this is actually going for $255. That is insane. Makes sense because it's Burberry and it is kind of a steal price point if you think about it. Like, I don't know if I could buy anything in Burberry ball cap wise, hat wise, under the price point of $88. That's just a steal. So next up we have the crew neck, which is $138, and this is going between $175 to $205. Definitely just a solid colorway in the black color scheme. And then the lovely corduroy jacket, which went for $198, is going for $290 to $320. All right, there you have it. Sorry I've been gone to all my Supreme viewers out there. I'm gonna try and stay more on top of this week to week, depending of course on what drops at the Supreme weekly drop list. But if you are new here and joined us for the first time, thank you so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.